Welcome to Entry Funnies. This is your channel. Today we are going to know about the meaning of proposition part 1 in this video. A word used before noun or pronoun. He is studying at home. Where is he studying? At home. Where is the word at used before the word home? Is the word home noun? Yes, it's a name of place. It means the word at is used before a noun. It can also be used after. Relation between noun and noun. There is a house on the hill. Where is the house? On the hill. What does the word on show? It shows the relation between the words house and hill. The word on shows the relation between noun house and noun hill. Relation between adjective and noun. She is fond of music. What is she fond of? Music. How is her attitude towards music? Fond of. Which word shows the relation between the words fond and music? Of. The word of shows the relation between adjective fond and noun music. Relation between verb and noun. My friend jumped off the bus. What did my friend do? Jumped. Where did my friend jump off the bus? Which word shows the relation between the words jumped and bus? Off. The word off shows the relation between verb jumped and noun bus. Relation of noun with adjective and verb. The word at is used before a noun. It can also be used after. The word on shows the relation between noun house and noun hill. The word of shows the relation between adjective font and noun music. The word of shows the relation between verb jumped and noun bus. A word indicating place. There is a cat in the well. Where is the cat? In the well. What does the word in indicate? Place. A word can be used to indicate the place. A word indicating time. He will meet you at 6 p.m. When will he meet? At 6 p.m. Does the word at indicate time? Yes, it does. A word can be used to indicate the time. A word indicating cause. I was absent for many days because of my illness. Why was I absent? Because of my illness. What does the word because of indicate? Cause. A word can be used to indicate the cause. A word indicating place, time, and cause with relation. The word in indicates place. The word at indicates time. The word because of indicates cause. The word can be used before noun and pronoun. The word can show the relation between noun and noun, adjective and noun, verb and noun. Meaning of proposition. Pre means before. Position means place. The proposition means that which is placed before. A word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation between noun and noun, adjective and noun, verb and noun in the form of place, time, cause, and means is called a proposition. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for further notifications.